Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make classic French onion soup. Start by thinly slicing 3 pounds of onions and heating 3 tablespoons of butter in a wide, heavy pot. Stir constantly and cook low and slow until the onions turn deep golden brown and jammy. Deglaze with 1/2 cup sherry or white wine, add 6 cups beef stock, thyme, and simmer gently for a layered, cozy soup. Caramelizing onions is the heart of this soup, and it rewards patience. Use a wide pan so onions have room and keep the heat moderate to prevent burning. Stir periodically and let natural sugars develop slowly into a deep brown, jam-like texture. If they stick, add a splash of liquid to loosen fond and continue cooking. Proper caramelization gives the soup its signature sweet, savory depth and mouth-watering aroma. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and dropped onions with smart navigation and voice control, so cleanup is almost automatic after making soup. It makes keeping your kitchen tidy easy and surprisingly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Once the onions are richly caramelized, deglaze the pan to capture all the browned flavor. Pour in stock and add thyme, then simmer so the flavors marry and reduce slightly for concentration. Ladle the soup into oven-proof bowls, float toasted baguette slices on top, and blanket with grated Gruyere. Broil until the cheese bubbles and browns. Serve hot and enjoy the satisfying combination of silky soup and crisp, cheesy toast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.